Very good evening to one and all. This is my project, and my project title is GraceSwipe Safe and Secure File Under Cohesion. And my project members are N. Prabhu, R. Lalit, and G. Prasanna Venkatesh. And my abstract is the information on research is safely stored as documents in a web-based page which can be accessed by a scientific team in ISRO, which is admin. The encryption and decryption technique is based on the AES algorithm, which is latest and more preferable. The encryption is based on the cipher concept. This concept implements the GraceSwipe technique, which is more secureable, in which the secured files cannot be accessed by coercion. For secure interaction, the user receives a one-time password generated when the user uses the correct password. The files can also be decrypted when required by the user. And a problem statement, the existing system which does not check the user's ability and same content could be displayed for each and every user. Attackers can break the security easily since the analysis of encrypted data can be viewed. In existing approach, we couldn't review the approaches according to general categories such as thinking style, ratings, etc. TrueCrypt is implemented in current system since TrueCrypt has been failed due to many reasons. And my proposed system where we use trusted platform module and in example Intel TXT, we designed GraceSwipe to enable secure and verifiable deletion of encryption keys through a special deletion password. An attacker cannot distinguish between a deletion and real. Here the files are get encrypted and decrypted with the passphrase since they can be shared without passphrase or same passphrase assessment. And the system architecture is where we have for admin module we have login and they can add members and they can transfer files, encrypt, decrypt, and they can view received files. As well as in user point of view, they can log in, they can transfer files, encrypt, decrypt, and view received files. The main technique we use in both the logins is GraceSwipe technique, and a hacker who can see only the fake transferred files and he can view only fake files. The advantages.
Hello friends, myself Prabhu. Admin can add the members so that no one can access without knowledge. Member can encrypt their files and they can store it. For encryption, passphrases entered so that no one cannot access without passphrase. Transferring file inside the member group. During member addition, their login password will be sent to Gmail so that their password and encryption password shared with mailing. Thank you.